This is my spooky mailbox decoration, controlled by entirely of 555 timers. The way it works is it sits on top of the mailbox, and each side of each little skull has its own 555 circuit, and it is triggered by a PIR motion detector. I just had set it off by showing the picture of it, and there's the circuit board for that and that trigger. So there's a similar circuit with totally different components in it for the other side, and its motion detector for testing is right there. The motion detector, each one you notice has a shield. These PIRs have very wide angles for detection. So to make sure we have some directionality, I have put cones around them. When it gets finally built into a complete thing to mount on top of the mailbox, they'll be mounted either in the mouth or somewhere close. The idea is that if you walk past it, you say, "Oh no, it's got me!" And if you run the other direction, "Oh, it sets the other side off." And if you sit there and watch it, it'll keep running. Now, to make sure that we have something that we don't want to kill the batteries off so fast, it also has a 555 circuit for doing the dusk to dawn control. So right now we're filming kind of in the dark, but if it gets bright outside, it has a dusk to dawn, and it shuts itself off. As long as it's bright outside, it won't run. So the good thing is it shuts down during the day, and it conserves power. We don't have power in the PIRs or the flasher circuits. But if it gets dark again, there they go. It did not reset the circuits though. So there we go. It timed out. Okay. That is the demo of those circuits. So now the power feed's coming from a power supply. We attach that power supply and follow it over here to a power distribution card. It has interlocks on it. Right now most of them are jumpered out. We're not using them. It's a generic board use. This output is the output that goes to the PIR detectors. Is powered except whenever the dusk to dawn shuts off, and the same with these two. So the 555 timer for the dusk to dawn control is on all the time, and its output is connected to this teeny tiny relay, and that teeny tiny relay will drop out whenever it's time to operate in the dark. And that interlock is going to this board, and that distributes all the power to the rest of the flasher circuits.